my name is Priya and you are watching Priya Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you 3 different types of editing tricks in Kinemaster only, which is very helpful for YouTubers as well as editors. Watch this video till end. Before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Anyway guys, let's start today's tutorial. Let's begin and open Kinemaster for editing.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to. No one understands, this shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back.
Can't nobody tell me.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. Until I blow superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces. All the
How is the video? Comment now. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, link in description. See you next one. Take care and bye bye. Tata.